Alright, today we are going to look at how to find passwords which were saved on your phone, especially for people who are using Chrome. So first off, you go to Chrome. You go to Chrome, which is here, and you open Chrome. Then after opening Chrome, you go to these three dotted lines which are up here. You go to these three dotted lines here, you tap on those, then you go to settings here. So when you go to settings, you scroll down to password manager. Password manager is here. You open password manager. So here you will find all the accounts you've been opening and saving their passwords on your phone. So these are all the accounts. You find all your accounts which have been saved on your phone. So if you want to access one, you just let's say for Amazon.com, Amazon is here. You tap Amazon.com. So you put in your fingerprint. You put on your fingerprint and it opens. So this is where you find the password, and if you want it to view it, you tap this icon. Yeah, so you tap it and you see it. So if you want to delete, you can also delete it. The delete button is here. Yes, so guys, that's how you find your password which were saved on your phone. So that is it. Thank you for watching.